Now this next project right here is fire. Seriously, I think I might have gone too far with this one today. Habanero Pepper Powder. Okay, I'm gonna cut these in half and take the seeds out. Alright, I'm gonna get these ready, put them on a sheet of parchment paper. Then put them in the dehydrator. Now that they're all dry, I'm going to put them in my coffee grinder, little by little. Do this outside if you can, or wear a mask. This stuff can make you choke. Now I just need a bottle. I'm using this empty bottle of cayenne pepper. And that's all I got. I still think this is a good way of preserving the peppers. Habanero Pepper Powder.